और अब केज में आ रहे हैं ब्लू कॉर्नर से बॉन जॉवी। राहुल, कुछ बताइए हमको इस फाइटर के बारे में, कौन है ये, क्या है इनकी कहानी?
Bon Jovi is a rock star and today he's going to rock the cage here at MFN 5 in Dubai. Bon Jovi, whose basic style is kickboxing, has had pro fights in the past. Now, this is his first fight at Matrix Fight Night and let's welcome him to MFN.
बिल्कुल। और राहुल, बॉन जॉवी जैसे कि मैं बता रहा था, एक बहुत बढ़िया स्ट्रगल को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। इनकी कीज टू विक्ट्री को एक बार देखते हैं। Number 1 is he has solid counter attacks. Number 2 is he's got punch kick combos and number 3 he's undefeated. So राहुल, जो इन्होंने अपनी 4 प्रो फाइट्स करी हैं उसमें से ये एक भी नहीं हारे हैं अभी तक। What do you think that means for him in this fight? Does that give him a sense of confidence? Does that give him an advantage?
Yes, Manan, he's had 4 pro bouts so far, but then they were at a local promotion. So this guy definitely has the experience and I'm sure when he's actually inside the cage, he's going to be a rock star tonight.
सही बात है, लेकिन इनके जो अपोनेंट है मूसा रैश, हम उनको भी अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं कर सकते हैं। ये प्रीलिमिनरी फाइट्स में जो बाउट्स हम देख रहे हैं, इनको ज़्यादा लोग जानते नहीं हैं, लेकिन ये फाइटर्स किसी से कम नहीं हैं। ये फाइटर्स बहुत खतरनाक हैं, ये फाइटर्स बहुत टैलेंटेड लोग हैं।
Well, yes, Manan, he's a lionheart indeed and he can eat punches any time of the day.
राहुल, ये बॉन जॉवी नाम बड़ा यूनिक है, ये नाम कैसे मिला इनको बॉन जॉवी?
Manan, we will come back to it. Over to Jared.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Musa Rice.
और अब इनके अपोनेंट, बॉन जॉवी के अपोनेंट मूसा रैश अंदर आ रहे हैं। जरा देखो तो सही इनको, क्या डांस करते हुए, क्या मजे लेते हुए अंदर आ रहे हैं। दोस्तों, मैं आप सबको एक चीज बता देना चाहता हूँ, मूसा रैश शिकारियों के खानदान से है। इस इवेंट से पहले मैं मूसा से बात कर रहा था राहुल, और मैंने पूछा क्या प्लान है मूसा। मूसा ने मेरे को बोला मैं शिकारियों के खानदान से हूँ और मैं इस केज में आया हूँ शिकार करने के लिए। चलिए राहुल, let's take a look at Musa's keys to victory. So he's got vicious kick, he's got takedown setup, and he's got amazing submissions. Tell us a little bit about that, Rahul. What are his keys to victory like?
Manan, I've seen him fighting in the past at local promotions. And I've seen some of his old fights. He enters the cage as if it's territory, and he's here to hunt. So in all the previous fights that I've seen, he's had a massive ground and pound and some submissions. This gentleman has fought within the country and outside also in different promotions.
बहुत बढ़िया राहुल, बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए देखते हैं टेप को। दोनों की रीच लगभग सेम है, दोनों का वेट लगभग सेम है। मूसा 1 किलो भारी है। मूसा का बैकग्राउंड है MMA, बॉन जॉवी का बैकग्राउंड है किक बॉक्सिंग। ये बहुत बराबरी का मुकाबला होने वाला है। MFN 5 की पहली फाइट अब शुरू होने जा रही है। Over to Jared in the cage for the official introductions.
उससे भी टफ तू बन के दिखा, पल पल आगे बढ़ता ही जा, खुद को मंजिल तक पहुंचा।
First we introduce the blue corner, weighing in at 60.1 kilograms, hailing from Manipur. Make some noise for the Aztecs Tiger, Bon Jovi Nurmagomedov. And his opponent fighting on the red corner, he weighed in at 61.1 kilograms, hailing from Gujarat, Musa the Hunter Rice. Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Marat Dogra.
When I say fight, fight. When I say stop, stop. Okay? Always follow my commands. Touch gloves and go back to your corners.
और राउंड 1 शुरू होने जा रहा है। दोस्तों, जो लोग हमें ऑनलाइन देख रहे हैं, मैं आपकी प्रेडिक्शन सुनना चाहता हूं, कौन जीतेगा। लिखो विनर मूसा या विनर बॉन जॉवी। चैट में लिखो गाइस, कमेंट्स में लिखो, सिर्फ बैठ के देखना नहीं है, मेरे साथ बात करो, मैं चाहता हूं आप लोग एंगेज करो. गिव मी योर प्रेडिक्शंस.
And the action begins. Referee in the cage is Mayank Dogra. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, MFN5 is live now with the first fight. Okay.
Wow, what a shot. Musa landed a good shot on Bon Jovi's chin.
But as I said, Bon Jovi has a good counter. He can
Bon Jovi
hit shots.
counters.
Okay, now Musa on the cage. Bon Jovi trying to control Musa against the cage. Do you think he can take a takedown here?
इंस्टेंट एक्शन राहुल, 1 मिनट भी वेस्ट नहीं किया इन दोनों फाइटर्स ने, एकदम एक्शन स्टार्ट हो गई है. व्हाट अ स्टार्ट टू मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 5.
Well, it's absolutely electric. You can see
क्लिंच
Bon Jovi-
पोजीशन में है दोनों.
Yes, and
मूसा की तरफ से नीज आ रहे हैं. Bon Jovi wants to take Musa down, but I think Musa is doing a good job of defending him and landing some knees in the clinch. मूसा की ताकत काफी नजर आ रही है हमको इस टाइम पे. And we go to the ground now. Bon Jovi has side mount. मूसा फटाफट निकल रहे हैं, खड़े हो गए. गुड जॉब बाय मूसा. ऊपर खड़े होते हुए एक नी लैंड हुआ मूसा की चिन पे. ओह माय गॉड, वाओ. बट ऐसा लगता नहीं है कोई फर्क पड़ा है मूसा को. मूसा स्टिल इन द गेम.
both the fighters trying to give their best in the cage. Now Bon Jovi is trying to control Musa against the cage. Let's see what best we can do. Do you think Musa should try to go for a reversal here?
Musa needs to start implementing a strategy. Musa needs to start implementing a plan. I think right now it's Bon Jovi that who's leading the fight, who's determining where the fight goes. He took Musa down, and even right now Bon Jovi has Musa up against the cage, and he's looking for a takedown again, but it was well defended this time. Oh, he almost had his back over there for a second. I think Musa needs to do his own thing. Right
Here
now
in-
he's playing Bon Jovi's game.
Here in Bon Jovi is so conditioned with his combinations. I'm sure he can just try to maintain his range and then start throwing some combinations too.
मूसा यहाँ से एक और काम कर सकते हैं राहुल. मूसा फ्लिप कर सकते हैं बॉन जॉवी को. He could reverse the position. Oh, some good shots thrown.
Well, this is a big night for both the
Bon Jovi
fighters.
takedown लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं and they're back in the clinch position fighting against the cage. देखो एक और चीज सीखने को मिल रही है हमको राहुल, ये देख के कि केज के अगेंस्ट फाइट करना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. बहुत सारे एमएमए फाइटर्स ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, बट ये एक पार्ट है केज के अगेंस्ट खड़े होके फाइट करना सीखना. ये कितना इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. कई बार पूरी पूरी फाइट यहाँ पे होती है और
Absolutely.
दोनों फाइटर नीचे आ गए. बॉन जॉवी ने एक स्ट्रीट स्टाइल टेक डाउन लिया, एकदम देसी. दोनों फाइटर्स नीचे हैं. देखते हैं बॉन जॉवी इस पोजीशन को डोमिनेट करके यूज कर पाते हैं कि नहीं.
Yes, Baran, it's very important to learn how to control the cage in an MMA fight because it's inside a cage and it's very important to understand the dynamics and the leverage that a cage can give you. So herein Musa has
और
Okay,
बॉन जॉवी के
Musa gets
कॉर्नर की
inside the
आवाज,
guard.
बॉन जॉवी के कॉर्नर की आवाज मुझे यहां तक आ रही है. कॉर्नर चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहा है दबा के रख उसको, दबा के रख उसको. बॉन जॉवी नीचे से एल्बोज मारने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं और ये पोजीशन मूसा के लिए बहुत अच्छी है राहुल. अगर वो इस पोजीशन को मेंटेन करके धीरे धीरे अपने आप को आगे बढ़ा सकें तो दिस कुड बी अ परफेक्ट place for him to dominate the fight.
Manan, 2 days back, I saw Musa sparring in the gym, and I saw him in the same exact position. And Musa is not the guy who knows jiu-jitsu. Musa is the guy who knows jiu-jitsu inside the cage. He's not the guy who'll go for a submission, but he knows that when he's stuck inside a guard, he can start pounding on the opponent. And I think that's what he's going to try to do here.
Yeah, and I like how Bon Jovi is throwing these elbows from the bottom. Very nice. और मुझे लगता है आप सही कह रहे हो, मूसा अपना टाइम ले रहा है यहाँ पे. उसको पता है कि कोई जल्दी नहीं है. जब उसको अच्छा मौका मिलेगा वो पोस्चर अप करके I am sure he's going to rain down some heavy shots on Bon Jovi. So Bon Jovi needs to be very careful in this position, which he's doing. He's doing a good job of defending right now.
Well, let's see. We are 35 more seconds in round 1. So far, what do you think, Manan? Who gets round 1?
I think round 1 मूसा को जाएगा, क्योंकि इवन दो बॉन जॉवी ने काफ़ी प्रेशर डाला इनिशियली, मूसा ने वो प्रेशर बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल किया. मूसा ने टेक डाउन्स डिफेंड किए और इवेंचुअली अब पिछले 1.5-2 मिनट से मूसा इज ऑन टॉप, हैज़ बिन थ्रोइंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पंचेस एंड हैज़ शोन डोमिनेशन. Last 10 seconds left in the round, Rahul.
Yes, and the clapper goes on. So we have 10 more seconds in the round. Well, Manan, if you ask me, I'm going to give this round to Bon Jovi because of his cage control and because of his, I would say, aggression. But aggression itself is not effective in an MMA fight. I was hoping that both these young guns are going to blaze high and finish the round, finish the fight in the first round. But we are moving on to the next round. So we can see the corners coming in. That's Bon Jovi.
राहुल देखो, मुझे लगता है केज कंट्रोल. अब ये देखो रिप्लेस देखते हैं एक बार. ये टेक डाउन लिया बॉन जोवी
Well,
और
that wasn't a
इंस्टेंटली खड़ा हो
takedown.
गया.
That wasn't a takedown, man.
It was an attempt.
Look at the cage control. Look at the Bon Jovi's cage control. Though Musa tried to reverse it, but
See that takedown. Look at that takedown. So Bon Jovi did attempt a few takedowns. He even got a few takedowns, but Musa was very quick to reverse the dynamic and dominate towards the end. The last 2 minutes were all Musa, Rahul. Were all Musa. So according to me, it goes to Musa.
Okay, let's move on to the next round. Both the fighters all set to bring in war in round 2. Well, Manan, if I have to ask you, who's your favorite? Is it Bon Jovi, the rock star, Aztec Tiger as we know him, or is it Musa the hunter?
मैंने मूसा को फोन किया इवेंट से पहले और मैंने मूसा से पूछा क्या आप बॉन जोवी की फाइट्स देख रहे हो, अपने अपोनेंट की फाइट्स देख रहे हो तैयार करने के लिए. उन्होंने पता क्या बोला मेरे को, राहुल कहते हैं बिल्ली को रोज देखूंगा तो शेर नजर आएगी.
Well, that's the hunter mentality.
कहते हैं
Musa
बिल्ली
is
को
the
रोज
hunter
देखूंगा
here.
तो शेर नजर आएगी.
Bilkul, bilkul.
Wow.
So that's the hunter mentality, and a hunter would never go for the prey. They would let the prey to come inside and then plan the attack. So,
और ये देखो डांस.
well, that's some showboating. That's some showboating from Musa. Okay, he attempts a left kick, misses it. Bon Jovi all set. Manan, as I told you, Bon Jovi is the kind of guy who can eat punches, eat kicks. This guy is conditioned.
Ooh, a great kick landed from Bon Jovi.
Was that a nut shot?
That was a straight. That was a push kick, Rahul.
Okay, okay.
Very well landed.
Oh. Okay. And as I said, Bon Jovi has excellent counter attacks. So I'm just waiting for him to counter attack. Manan, if you ask me, I think that's
slip
a
हो गए.
slip. That's a slip.
अब देखते हैं इस पोजीशन का फायदा उठा पाते हैं मूसा की नहीं.
If Musa,
Right now, Musa should turn around and take his back.
well, what I suggest is that Musa should transition and go for the guillotine.
He could go for the guillotine, or I think he should just go for the back right now.
What advantage do you think Bon Jovi has from here? Can he take a Kimura in that turtle position?
I think right now Bon Jovi is thinking about defense, bro. I don't think he's thinking about offense. I think he's worried that Musa could take his back. I don't know why Musa is just holding on to this position, even though he's trying to land some knee strikes. I think he should. Yeah, and there he does it. He does it. Awesome.
That's excellent. That's excellent.
That
That's
is
an
perfect.
advantage that Musa has. But there's still way to go. He has to. Okay. Bon Jovi does a great thing. He transitions. Now Musa is in Bon Jovi's guard. Now this is a dominant position for Musa because from here in Musa can land strikes.
Yes, but it's still safer than having Bon Jovi's back. So Bon Jovi did a good job of getting Musa off his back and pulling guard. Now let's see what Musa can do from here.
Manan, this is why MFN 5 is the biggest fight night in the country. We've got young guns blazing in the prelims, and these young guns come from a place which nobody would have heard of. Bon Jovi comes from Imphal. He's the first MMA fighter to make his way to Matrix Fight Night, while Musa Rash is the only MMA fighter to have entered, I would say male MMA fighter to have entered MFN cage from Gujarat. He hails from Asoj, which is 50 kilometers ahead of Baroda. There is no MMA athlete there. He travels 5 to 6 hours every day just to spar with people.
And the referee has stood them up. I don't know why.
Probably there was no action.
I think the referee wanted more action, but
We all want action.
we could have let that go on. I'm not sure why he stood them up.
Well,
Okay, never mind.
Referee in the cage is Mayank. Mayank is an experienced athlete as well. He played in the early days of SFL, an experienced referee as well. Whoa!
Ooh,
This
nice
is the counter that I was
shot.
talking about.
That was a great counter punch by Bon Jovi. But पता नहीं क्यों राहुल मूसा को देख के ऐसा लगता है उसको कुछ भी मारो उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है.
Well, same with Bon Jovi, Manan. Usko aap kuch bhi maar rahe ho, he's giving a counter.
और इस बार मूसा ने बॉन जॉवी को केज के अगेंस्ट रखा हुआ है. इन द फर्स्ट राउंड वी सॉ इट वाज मूसा अगेंस्ट द केज, but now it's Bon Jovi.
Do you think Bon Jovi, the one in white shorts, can take a guillotine from here?
I don't think he can. He's already lost it and Musa has taken him down again. ये वही पोजीशन है जो हम पहले राउंड से देख रहे हैं. ये दोनों फाइटर्स बार-बार इस पोजीशन में आ जाते हैं. यहाँ से मैं ये देखना चाहूंगा राहुल कि मूसा पोस्चर अप करें और कुछ बड़े-बड़े शॉट्स लैंड करें बॉन जॉवी की चिन पर, या फिर अपनी पोजीशन को एडवांस करें, साइड माउंट लें. आई वांट टू सी मूसा टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस पोजीशन, इवन दो इफ ही डजंट एंड ही जस्ट कंटिन्यूज डूइंग व्हाट ही इज डूइंग राइट नाउ, ही इज स्टिल विनिंग द राउंड. राहुल,
Manan, if I was Musa right now, I would have passed the guard, got on the mount and started landing punches on the face. Well, I think that's the key here. If Musa can pass the guard, he has the advantage. He can't do much while being stuck in the guard because he's eating punches and strikes right there.
Yeah, Rahul, but you know, in a situation like this, there's also a strategy where you just maintain position because you know that the judges are giving you points. You know what I'm saying? In this position, Musa is getting all the points. So even if he doesn't do too much, he's still winning. So he could be thinking, why not just play it safe, maintain the position, throw a few shots every now and then, and keep winning the round.
Tim Shell, maybe yes, maybe no. We've got 20 more seconds in round 2. Let's see what both of them have to offer us in terms of action.
I think at least in the last 10 seconds, man, he could just posture up and give it everything he's got. We are seeing some continuous attacks from Musa though. Not a lot of power behind them, but he's still throwing shots every now and then.
Well, maybe yes, but I'm not sure what Musa is
And
trying. Okay.
round 2 comes to an end. Fantastic job done by Musa Resh from Gujarat. What a round, man.
Manan, we saw so much of heat yesterday during the weigh-ins that I was hoping these guys are going to finish it in round 1.
Take a look at that, Rahul. That was the push kick.
Oh,
And that was the slip.
unlucky slip.
That was the unlucky slip, and everything from there just went downhill for Bon Jovi. See that? From there, it all just went downhill for Bon Jovi. Musa did not let go of that. He capitalized on that. He got his back. Then he stayed on top on the ground, and he just took the round away. See that? What a beautiful transition.
Had he had those hooks inside, I think would have been more effective.
Absolutely, man. Had he had those hooks inside, he wouldn't have lost the back, and he could have possibly finished the fight from there.
Manan, I'm sorry I love both these guys, but I have a suggestion for them. I think they should go after this bout and learn jiu-jitsu. What do you have to say?
Well, Rahul, it's not like they're not doing enough right now. But you know, as a fighter, as a human being, you can always continue learning. That's what martial arts is all about.
But at the same
always
time,
grow, always learn, always become better.
Manan, both these fighters have come out of adversities in life, some major challenges. Bon Jovi ended up working as a petrol pump guy and he had to stop fighting. So the action begins. This is round 3.
Round 3.
I just hope somebody gets a knockout in this round. I love Musa. I love the way he showboats.
मूसा का स्टाइल अलग ही है राहुल. मतलब इतना कॉन्फिडेंस, बीच में हाथ नीचे खड़े होके वो चलना शुरू
What
कर
was
देते
that?
हैं,
He
नाचना
started
शुरू
walking
करते
in the
हैं.
cage.
Wow, I love this guy's style.
And look at Bon Jovi. He's not retreating. He doesn't even bother whether Musa is dancing or he's showboating.
I think referee ने fight रोक दी 1 सेकंड के लिए. I don't know why that happened. I think Musa slipped. I don't know. But they're back at it now. और एक और kick का attempt. Bon Jovi ने return fire
Come on,
किया.
Bon Jovi. Entire Manipur is praying for you. And at the same time, entire Gujarat is praying for Musa in this bout.
Rahul, did you see that? Bon Jovi went for a takedown. Musa landed a knee on the way in.
Manan, that's the beauty of Bon Jovi's game. He doesn't retreat. No matter how many strikes you throw at him, he's just going to get in and take you down.
मुझे बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है.
Whoa, that's a nice
Good
right
shots.
hand.
Good shots
Straight on the
landed.
chin. Bon Jovi has an
Nice
excellent
kick.
cardio. What do you have to say about Musa's cardio?
The thing I love, Rahul, about Musa is his style. अरे क्या लात पकड़ी है.
Whoa!
Wow.
Excellent,
और दोनों
excellent.
फाइटर्स ग्राउंड पे. इस बार बॉन जॉवी ऊपर है राहुल. अब
And-
देखते हैं बॉन जॉवी इसका कुछ फायदा उठा सकता है कि नहीं. ये आखिरी राउंड है. बॉन जॉवी definitely needs to take some risks.
We've got more than 3 minutes to this round. Again, suggestion for Bon Jovi, he needs to learn how to pass guard, get on the mount and finish the fight. if he passes guard right now, this is an easy win for both of them. Sorry, not for both of them, but for Bon Jovi.
राहुल, मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे बॉन जॉवी को कुछ रिस्क लेने पड़ेंगे और वो ले रहा है, अब बड़े बड़े हाथ छोड़ रहा है वो.
He tried getting in
Wow.
the side control. Now from here in, Musa might have him in the body lock. Can you see his legs around his back?
यस यस. अब देखो राहुल, इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये है कि यहाँ पे अगर मूसा ने सिर्फ ये राउंड सरवाइव कर लिया ना तो मूसा विंस, because he's won the first 2 rounds.
Are you sure about this?
I'm 100% sure about that. So Bon Jovi needs to take risks. Bon Jovi can only win if he gets a TKO in this round.
Well, I don't think so. In terms of effective strikes, Musa hasn't thrown much.
But he dominated on the ground. He was on top for about 2 minutes in the first round and even in the second round.
Well, yes, in terms of domination, I would say yes, maybe. But herein, right now, I would say Bon Jovi is in the dominant position. He can easily pass guard, get on the mount, and start throwing punches.
और अभी तक अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं मूसा नीचे से डिफेंड करने का.
We've got less than 2 minutes in round 3. So far, the fight's been very exciting. 2 young guns blazing high at MFN 5
Rahul, can you hear
in
me?
Dubai. We've got
Check,
Bon
check.
Jovi in the white shorts. We've got Musa Raesh in the black shorts.
Okay, you can hear me, director? All right, awesome. Go, go, go. Action. It's all action in the cage right now. And now the referee has stood them both up. और खड़े होते ही एकदम से एक्शन, एक भी सेकंड वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं दोनों फाइटर्स. मेरे दिमाग में ये चल रहा है कि अगर प्रीलिमिनरी कार्ड के फाइटर्स इतने खतरनाक हैं और इतनी एक्शन दे रहे हैं तो जब हम मेन कार्ड पे आएंगे एंड वी विल लुक एट गाइज लाइक अंगद, सुमित, संजीत, चैतन्य, रविंद्र, जेसन, जब हम ये सब फाइट्स देखेंगे, ऑफ कोर्स श्रीकांत, अंशुल.
That was a nice right hand by Musa.
That punch
But
landed.
as I said,
I think Bon Jovi,
can
I think Bon
eat
Jovi is
punches.
hurt. I
No,
think
he's
Bon
not
Jovi
hurt
is
as yet. Bon Jovi is made of steel.
That right
And-
hand landed
Whoa.
clean on his chin, man. Rahul, I think Bon Jovi doesn't have that same stability left in him after that punch now.
Well, Bon Jovi is eating punches and kicks as if it's dinner time. But trust me, Bon Jovi is actually a very conditioned fighter. In fact, Musa also is conditioned. But let's see. I just don't want this fight to go to the judges' decision. Well, that's a nice
टेक डाउन
strike.
अटेम्प्ट किया बॉन जॉवी ने, बहुत अच्छे से डिफेंड किया मूसा ने, और यहाँ से दोबारा मूसा बड़े आराम से बॉन जॉवी की बैक ले सकते हैं.
And I'm sure he's going to do it because he showed me how he does it in the gym.
And there he does it again.
That's what I told you.
He does it again. This time
Okay.
he's on mount. 10 seconds are left.
10
He should
more
just throw
seconds.
punches. He
Well, I
should just
think
throw
no,
punches
this,
right now.
This bout is actually going on judges' decision. Okay.
What a fight यार, what a fight राहुल. MFN 5 की शुरुआत क्या धमाकेदार तरीके से हुई है, क्या धमाकेदार तरीके से इन दोनों ने फाइट स्टार्ट करी है.
Manan, during the weigh-ins yesterday, there was a lot of heat between both these guys. Bon Jovi actually went ahead and pushed Musa, and I was hoping for intense action. Let's look at the highlights.
और ये काफ़ी हद तक ये फाइट केज के अगेंस्ट रही है. इससे हमको ये भी देखने को मिलता है कि MMA की जो फाइट्स हैं वो केज के अगेंस्ट कितना चलती हैं. यू नो, वी नीड टू नो एज अ फाइटर, you need to know how to fight against the cage. It's so important. Most of the time it was Musa dominating on the ground. We saw some good counter punches landed by both of them. Most of the time, like I'm saying, it was Musa dominating on the ground. But for a little while, we also saw Bon Jovi on top of Musa. I think Musa has won this fight.
Manan, whosoever wins this, this is a big night for both of them because they are entering into the MFN cage for the first time. And both of them have had many challenges and adversities in life. Finally, they've made their way here, and it's a big night. May the best fighter
Absolutely,
win.
Rahul. That's what martial arts is all about. That no matter what challenges you face in your life, you overcome them and you go after what you want, man. I felt so happy when I heard Tiger Shroff say this. and I heard Alan Fernandez say this, that martial arts is not just about punches, kicks, and all these techniques. It's also about overall development, emotional development, and the development of the willpower that takes you places.
For sure, and this is a big payday for both the guys here.
Rahul, I gotta ask you, man, in just a moment we'll have the official decision with us. I gotta ask you, who do you think has won this fight? And don't give me a diplomatic answer, Rahul. I want a straight answer. I'm saying Musa won this fight. Who do you think won this fight? Give me a straight answer, bro.
Manan, I'm known for being diplomatic, but herein, I think I'm going to give it to Bon Jovi.
All right, let's see. Over to Jared now for the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored the bout 29-28, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Musa.
Congratulations.
Ray!